mugomo uyu ti harari na nikirona no andu 30 tu. Kenya Airports iri andu akuri 1,500. Koguo maundu mothe ni sawa sawa na nitwahakikisha andu othe riu mahaica ndege na ndege ya mbere ni kuomboka ndagika ta 5 kuma riu. Gwikinya hwaini thino wiho ni ukorwo thirite tondu uria cireka ndege ni iracererwo no ti ndege ikanjitwo tondu ndakiuga ndagika ciugite kilo 30 uguo he ndege ciguthie Dubai, ithie London, ithie kuria kungi.
My appeal to the workers who have issues which definitely will be sorted out, will be discussed in conformity with the law and the process that have been laid down by the labor relations procedure, to be alive to that reality that they have a patriotic duty to us as Kenyans. And we ask them to go back to work. If the court order is not obeyed, the parties in conflict can go back to court, which I want to assume they're already doing it, to cite the union for contempt. And a contempt proceeding is not a light matter because the consequences can be very dire.